going to solve quadratic equations by completing the square. In this example, we want to solve this quadratic equation by completing the square. To do this, we are going to follow the following steps. Before the steps, in order to solve a quadratic equation by completing the square, we first isolate x squared minus bx on one side. So, if this is the original equation, we're going to subtract 14 from both sides to make it x squared minus 10x equals negative 9. Step 1 is find half the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x here is negative 10. Half of negative 10 is negative 5. Step 2 is square it. So negative 5 power 2 is 25. And step 3 is add the result to both sides of the equation. So we're going to add 25 to both sides of the equation as follows. Step number 4 is factor the perfect square trinomial that we have here. We have x squared minus 10x plus 25. This is a perfect square trinomial because x squared and 25 are perfect squares, and the middle term is 2 times square root of the first term times square root of the second term. So we can factor it like this. It will be x minus 5 power 2 equals 16. And step number 5 is take square root of each side to find the value of x. Determine whether each number is a perfect square, yes or no. 64 is 64.